So you have a small business or a side hustle, and you're doing all the things to try to help your business grow. But have you thought about whether your content marketing strategy supports your revenue goals? So you know that content is key to getting clients, but sometimes creating content assets can feel like the second full-time job that you did not sign up for. I hear you, we've all been there. Hi, I'm Adelina, and I'm a content marketing strategist, and I help small business owners, side hustlers, and entrepreneurs stop their content chaos and build systems that turn posts into assets. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by your content calendar, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. And in this video, I'm going to share 4 ideas to show you what I mean. Number 1, as the saying goes, less is more. Now, posting mediocre content with rushed captions, and yes, people can tell when your captions are rushed, that will not allow your ideal customer to find you or even be attracted to what you're offering. It just highlights that you probably don't have a content strategy, you're just posting on a whim and you're in autopilot mode. And that's probably because, like most entrepreneurs and content creators, you probably are in autopilot mode and you're not connecting your content to your revenue goals or to your business goals. So I want to walk you through how to create a content engine that works with you and not against you. It's about working smarter, not harder, as you know. Now, churning out content for every platform is a direct path to burnout. And your message can actually end up being diluted and not getting through to your ideal customer. You have to remember that with content communication, you can't be all things to all people. You have to be one thing to that specific person, that specific client. For example, if you're a finance influencer, and there are quite a few finance influencers out there, and you post generic finance tips, you're just going to get lost in the noise and lost in the sea of finance influencers that are popping up all over social media. But if you're a finance influencer and you post about navigating investments during a career change, for example, that is a sharper positioning, and it sets you out from the crowd and helps you attract the right people. Or imagine that you're a party event planner, for example. Now, posting 20 party ideas a week is just chaotic and exhausting. But if you focused on 3 high-value pieces of content, that will set you apart. Now, the first piece could be the behind-the-scenes production of a luxury party event that you've just organized and decorated. The second piece of content could be a client testimonial. And the final piece of content could be a guide on how to budget for a milestone birthday. Now, posting content like that is strategic and better than just posting random party ideas 20 times a week. So every piece of content that you create for your business needs to have a job. It needs to earn its position in your content strategy and work hard for your business. Whether that's getting people to download a digital product that you're selling, whether that's getting people to sign up for an intro call with you, each piece of content has to drive your customer or your ideal customer towards making some sort of inquiry with you, even joining your email list. Now, the second idea I wanted to discuss in this video is about auditing. So stop creating and start auditing. So this is where things start to shift. So you need to look at your current content library, all the assets, everything that you have, and that will allow you to see where your content gaps are. It also allows you to see what's worked and what hasn't, and then be ruthless, like absolutely ruthless, and cut out, stop doing, stop posting content that isn't working for you. You have to be honest with yourself. So like most things in life, there are levels to auditing, but you can start out simple. So when you're doing an audit of your content, how it's performing, you can just ask yourself these simple questions. So question A, which posts got the most meaningful engagement? So not just likes, but comments, shares, DMs. This allows you to identify what resonates with your audience and what they want from you. What do they want to know? Question B in your simple audit could be where you ask yourself, which pieces led to clicks on your link in bio or any other link that you added? Question C, which topics feel easiest and most natural for you to talk about? Now this, coupled with what your audience actually wants to hear about from you, is important to understand and identify what content is working and what you should do more of. And question D, when you're thinking about your simple audit, which content aligns directly with your products and services that you are offering right now? So going through that simple audit process, asking yourself those 4 questions, highlight what your audience values right now and also where to focus your energy, because you can't do all the things. And then yes, you do have my permission to stop and eliminate what's not working. You have to let it go. If the content isn't helping, you have to let it go. And the third idea is about creating your content engine. And this is where you bring all the concepts together and create a content marketing system that works for you. Select 3 content pillars that directly relate to your products and your services. So instead of thinking post by post, think in campaigns or themes. For example, choose one pillar platform. Now this is where you post your long form content each week. It could be a YouTube channel like this, it could be a blog post, it could be a podcast. This is the foundation and the basis of your content engine. Then plan around your products and your services. For example, if you're a tech consultant, you have a productivity package. Your monthly content theme could be productivity systems for small teams. And as you've probably heard before, but don't always do, repurpose, don't recreate. So a long form video on productivity systems could be a Pinterest post, or a text-based post for LinkedIn, or an email with 3 quick tips. And it's key to remember that batching and repurposing, they're not shortcuts, they are multipliers. So record one video and it becomes an email, a blog post, 3 short clips. So it's the same message with multiple touch points without creating something new each time. So having a content marketing system is about being strategic and ensuring that your message stays consistent across your platforms. So if you're getting value from this video, please do like and subscribe, because then that lets me grow the channel and share more information with people like you. And also comment below and tell me about how you manage your content marketing schedule. I do read the comments, so let me know and I'd love to hear from you. So now I'm going to do a quick recap of all of the ideas that I've discussed in this video. First, stop believing the myth of more content. Focus on content that aligns with your unique positioning and your revenue goals. Second, audit what you have. Understand what's working and ruthlessly cut what isn't. And thirdly, build a system. Systems are key to your business growth and to your mental health, quite frankly. Use one pillar piece of content to fuel all your platforms. Plan, scale, and repurpose. This is how you move from being a stressed content creator to a strategic business owner. Now, I touched on email as one of your content marketing assets in this video. And as you know, email is a key way to turn your subscribers into clients. But like a lot of us, you might have neglected your email list. That's okay, no judgment. That's why I'm creating a scorecard resource that will help you identify which email sequence is best for your business and your subscribers right now. So click the link in the description box and join the waitlist for when it launches. So if you're interested and like content marketing strategy, system ideas and concepts that are discussed on this channel, please do subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.